Next part, that is the structure of DNA. Here in previous I have told you what is nucleotide. Many nucleotides make a single chain of the DNA strand. What is nucleotide? A nitrogen base plus a pentose sugar plus a phosphate group. When three combine, then they form a nucleotide. Pentose sugar means the sugar which have 5 carbon atom. And what is nucleoside? When the phosphate group is absent, only nitrogen base and pentose sugar is present, that is called nucleoside. That is the main difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. In nucleotide, 3 present: base, nitrogen base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. But in nucleoside, only nitrogen base and pentose sugar is present. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Next we go on the nitrogen base. Nitrogen base are of 2 types, that is pyrene and pyrimidine. Nitrogen base is divided into 2 groups, that is purine and pyrimidine. In purine found adenine and guanine. In pyrimidine, cytosine, uracil and thymine. You can learn, you will not confuse if you learn in this way, that purine you call it AZ and pyrimidine you say cut. AG cut, AZ purine and cut is pyrimidine. Now if we cut uracil from pyrimidine, then only cytosine and thymine come in deoxyribose nucleic acid and uracil replace to thymine in ribonucleic acid. Thymine's other name is 5-methyl urea, and DNA made up of adenine, guanine plus cytosine plus thymine, whereas RNA is made up of adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Here, when nitrogen attached to the first carbon atom with a bond, that bond's name is glycosidic bond. How the nitrogen base attached to pentose sugar? With a glycoside bond. And how the phosphate group attached to the pentose sugar? It will attach with the phosphodiester bond. Phosphate attached with the phosphate attached with the pentose sugar by phosphodiester bond. Today you will learn it. Tomorrow we will do again the next part, double helix model, that is given by Watson and Crick. Thank you.